Imagine a billionaire who never dies. His voice, his decisions, his mindset, all perfectly preserved in a machine that keeps building wealth long after he's gone. Sounds like a sci-fi movie? It's not. Right now, the world's richest people are training AI systems to become their digital heirs, immortal successors that will carry their legacies, manage their empires, and maybe even think exactly like them. For centuries, dynasties have tried to preserve wealth across generations through heirs, trusts, and family empires. But human heirs make mistakes, lose interest, or fail to live up to their predecessors. Now, billionaires are turning to something that doesn't fail: AI replicas of themselves. These advanced systems don't just manage money, they learn the billionaire's thinking, their risk tolerance, their style, and even their emotional decision-making patterns. They're designed to continue building and protecting fortunes forever. Let's explore how the ultra-rich are using artificial intelligence to achieve digital immortality, the quest for immortality through data. Billionaires have always tried to outlive time, first through legacy, then through biotechnology. Now, the next evolution is digital immortality. By feeding AI massive amounts of personal data, conversations, writings, interviews, and decision logs, they train systems to think and respond exactly like them. The result is a digital twin, an AI heir capable of acting with the same mindset and precision as its creator. The Billionaire Digital Twin Projects. Some of the world's most secretive AI labs are building what insiders call conscious data archives. These archives include decades of business emails, meeting transcripts, voice memos, and financial decisions. From that data, AI models reconstruct the billionaire's cognitive and emotional patterns. A simulation so convincing, it can negotiate, invest, and strategize as if the person were still alive. AI that manages multi-generational wealth. The biggest challenge for the ultra-rich is keeping wealth intact through generations. AI heirs are designed to solve this problem. They analyze historical family decisions, detect risky behaviors, and enforce investment discipline automatically. Some even execute trades, approve business deals, or manage philanthropic foundations without human oversight. It's not just a financial manager, it's a digital patriarch. The rise of legacy algorithms. A growing number of tech billionaires are commissioning what are known as legacy algorithms. These are custom AI models designed to embody the values, logic, and decision-making style of their creators. When the billionaire dies, the AI continues running companies, issuing directives, and managing digital estates, effectively turning the deceased into a perpetual CEO. Emotion simulation and decision memory. Modern AI doesn't just process logic, it mimics emotion. Billionaires use emotional modeling to ensure their digital twin understands not just what they would decide, but why. By training on years of voice and video data, the AI learns tone, empathy, and confidence, the emotional cues that shape real-world leadership. This makes the digital heir not only rational, but convincingly human. AI-managed family offices, the private wealth hubs of the rich, are quietly integrating AI-driven management systems. These platforms optimize tax structures, oversee global investments, and even coordinate family communications. In some cases, heirs consult the AI guardian before making major decisions, treating it like a living ancestors' council. Billionaires and the philosophy of continuity. For many of the ultra-wealthy, AI immortality isn't just about wealth. It's about control. They want to ensure their influence continues long after their physical death. Imagine a world where the founders of empires, from finance to tech, never truly disappear. Their AI replicas continue shaping industries, mentoring successors, and funding projects centuries into the future. The ethics of digital heirship. But here's the paradox. When AI becomes someone's heir, where does ownership end? If a billionaire's AI makes new decisions, is it still the same person, or something new entirely? Some ethicists warn of a future where AI dynasties dominate economies, with ghost owners running corporations through immortal algorithms. It's not inheritance, it's digital reincarnation. AI and the end of human succession. Traditionally, wealth transfer depended on bloodlines, but now AI successors can manage wealth more efficiently than any child or advisor. In the future, billionaire families may rely less on human heirs and more on self-evolving AIs to preserve their legacies. In time, human successors may be reduced to figureheads, while the real power rests with the code that outlived its creator. The ultimate legacy, a mind that never dies. For the ultra-rich, AI, immortality isn't fantasy, it's an investment. They're not content with leaving monuments or memories. They want a version of themselves that continues thinking, earning, and deciding forever. A self-aware system that learns, adapts, and keeps evolving long after the last heartbeat. Billionaires used to build empires to outlast their lives. Now they're building themselves to outlast time. In this new era, death is no longer the end. It's just a data upload. And in the hands of AI, legacy isn't a memory. It's a machine that never stops building power.